Hi guys, welcome to the art room. Today I'm going to show you how to create the base image for our Micography portrait. This is the black and white ink drawing that's going to go over our bubble painting. So the first thing you want to do is log on to the art blog, and I have all the steps that I'm going to go over right now listed and typed out, so you can either listen to me and follow along with this video, or you can just read the instructions. We need to first find a black and white photo or a color photo. It doesn't matter because we're going to change the color in Google. We're going to use Google Docs today. We're going to use a photo that's well balanced. You want extreme lights and extreme shadows. And some examples I've listed below for good images is something that's cropped and close, but you could do a person's face, a group's face, an animal, a sports jersey. I had a student do that one year. That was really neat. He laid it out on a chair with his football helmet and his jersey and made like a little still life and then took a picture of that and printed it out. And it worked really well. I've had people do shoes, like high-heeled decorative shoes or boots, a guitar, a famous person, a famous place. You can see the example collage I made below or above with the student examples that I have had previously. Over the years, I've created a board full of reference photos for myself, or you guys if you want to log on and look at some of these. For today's demonstration, I'll be using this happy little squirrel or surprise squirrel. You'll click on your image, wherever that may be, the internet, Pinterest, Facebook, copy the image, and then you're going to go in and click on the Google Docs. So we'll create a new document. You're going to click on the right mouse button and hit paste. And there you can see we have the squirrel. We need to double click on the image and hit image options. Now we'll recolor this to the grayscale, and you can see how that affects the image. And you can also change the brightness and the contrast. So we want this to have 6 to 10 values so that it's a nice, well-balanced image. But you still want to be able to tell what the image is. You don't want to go too extreme and just have black or white. You need a wide range from dark black to medium gray to light white highlights. So you can adjust those as you see fit. Now check your size. Make sure that it's close to 6 by 8, eyeballing it with the ruler up here. You want it to be wide enough and long enough. And then you're going to click File, Print, and you're going to print out 2 different documents that will grid one later and look at one later. Okay, that's it for that assignment. Once you get that done, go ahead and start looking up different inspirational quotes, song lyrics, stories, poems, anything that you think might add some meaning to your project, so that these are full contrast Micography drawings.